Hey dear beauty lovers, welcome back to my channel. Join me as we uncover the secrets behind creating an effective acne toner. Say goodbye to blemishes and hello to flawless skin. Join me, let's formulate acne slash pimples treatment toner using salicylic acid. Welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting topic to discuss to you. It's about acne and pimples toner formulation using salicylic acid. If you have been struggling with acne breakouts, this video is for you. We will dive into the benefits of salicylic acid and how you can make your own at home. Before we jump into the recipe, let's talk about salicylic acid. Now, it's a powerful ingredient that has been widely used in skincare products for its acne fighting properties. Salicylic acid helps to exfoliate the skin, it unclogs the pores, and reduces inflammations, making it an excellent choice for treating acne and preventing breakouts. Just look at these incredible before and after pictures. Salicylic acid toner can help you achieve a clearer and a smoother skin. And the best part is you can make it by yourself. Now, let's get into the recipe for our salicylic acid toner. But before we do that, if you want the full recipes and detailed instructions, I have an exclusive toner class where I share everything you need to know. To join the class, simply click the WhatsApp link in the description box below. Alright, let's dive into the ingredients and steps for making your own toner. Now, the first steps you need to do is to clean your workspace, clean your equipment, set all your ingredients that you need. Now, let me list out the ingredients you need for this formulation. You will need your salicylic acid, yes. So all the measurements is going to be given to you during the class. You need a salicylic acid, you need an hydrosol, you need a pH buffer, you need your polysorbate 80, you need a vitamin E, you need a preservative. So these are the major ingredients you need to formulate your salicylic acid toner. So after measuring out your salicylic acid, I'm doing 2 batches. As you can see, I've already measured out my salicylic acid. Then I added the glycerin, I added the polysorbate 80. Now, when making this, have it in mind that it's not going to crystallize or anything, and it's going to see, it can stay more than 6 months to a year. It depends on the expiring date of the products you are using and how clean your environment of your production is. So this is the second batch I'm just measuring out. I added my salicylic acid, my glycerin, and my polysorbate 80. Then I mix it properly. Make sure that it's thoroughly mixed properly before you put it into your water bath. So I'm checking the temperature of my water bath. It's about 86 degrees. It's good to go to place my beakers into it and allow it to heat. It's going to take a while for it to dissolve, but that's not a problem. It's going to dissolve totally, and you mix it with your batch B. So this is, I'm measuring out my batch B. I'm pouring out my water. So I'm using rose water. I love using rose water when it comes to making any toners, any products at all, because I feel rose water has a lot of benefits added to it, and the pH of rose water, it's a bit more friendly than using distilled water, which is very high. Okay, now when you come for the class, when you come for the toner class, I'm also going to teach you on how you're going to make your pH buffer, which is to reduce the pH of your toner. So when you're using salicylic, when you're making any acids at all, you need a pH buffer to adjust the pH. Now the pH for your salicylic acid needs to be around 3.5 to 4.5. So I'm going to adjust the pH during this process of my formulations. So as you can see here, I'm checking the salicylic acid solution to check if it's properly dissolved. Make sure you turn it time to time to check for any particles at all. Keep stirring it till it's totally dissolved. Then it's ready, so it's time for me to bring it down. So I'm going to allow it to cool down for some time before I mix it. I pour it down into my phase B, which is ready with the pH adjuster. So right now I'm going to measure out the pH buffer. So once you join the class, note that I'm going to teach you the pH buffer also, because this is what you use to adjust the pH if you're making other products that contains acids like Salicylic Acid Toner. If you're making the serum, because most people don't really make the toner like that, so it's more better when you make the serum using hyaluronic acid and all that. So if you want to make your glycolic toner, if you want to make a lactic toner, you need a pH buffer to adjust the pH level. So right here I'm testing out the pH. You need a pH paper. I'm using the pH paper for now because my pH tester is actually 40. So this is the second batch. So each batch is about 500 ml. So I'm just measuring out the pH buffer. So like I said, I'm going to teach you on how you can make the buffer and on how you can make your salicylic acid. So don't worry, the first is going to be like this. You pour it and it has this foaminess as if you're making some chemicals in your laboratory, but it's fun actually. So you leave it for some time and it will be totally cleared out. Then you add a preservative, add your vitamin E oil, and you package your product. Now before you package your product, make sure your packaging are well cleaned and sanitized before you package them. And don't forget to test the pH if you need more pH buffer to be added into it. But the formulation I'm going to give, I will be giving to you, the pH is standard, which is 3.5 to 4.5 is in between, so you don't need any adjustments at all. So you can use it to make small batches and large batches. So right now I'm going to package them and label them and get them ready for the shelf and for sale. Thank you for watching. So if you love this video, please do like, comment below if you want more videos like these, and don't forget to leave a comment in the comment sections if you have any questions about working with salicylic acid. All right, bye. See you in the class. Don't forget to click the WhatsApp link and attend the class.